Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're joining us for the first time, I am Alice. You're welcome to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best and you know that. So guys, we're going to be doing a full wash day today, like taking down my braids and then doing my treatment. So this hair is actually almost 2 weeks, and funny enough, I haven't washed my hair since I relaxed it, and I'm already 1 month post relaxer. So I want to take this down, wash it, do my protein treatment. So we're going to be like having a full wash day, taking down the hair, doing the treatment and washing the hair, and then making a new style. But the new hairstyle will be in another video, but this is basically like a full wash day process. So this is what we have. You guys, my hair is growing so long, and the only thing that I am not happy about is the fact that I have a lot of split ends. Like, it's really annoying me. I'm hungry that I've not seen a nice salon to do that, to trim it off. So guys, I'll be using this oil. This is actually Amla oil that I put inside this bottle just to make the takedown easy. So guys, I'm still in school. I'm not home yet. I mean, obviously from the video you can see that I'm in school. So my results, that's my final year results, will be out next week. They don't actually post the results, but they'll post the graduating lists by next week. Today is 29th of September, so they'll post it next week, 29th of September. Today is Friday, so the graduating list will be out by next week. So baby girl is going to know if she's gonna graduate or not. But by God's grace, we are going to graduate. By God's grace. You guys, look at how this hair is long. So long, but it will be trimmed off very soon. Yeah. So when I take it down, I'm going to show you guys the results when I take it down. So if you are taking your braids down, always start from the tip, so that there are some people that like as it is like this, some might just start from here to drag it out. Don't do that. You're going to break your hair. Make sure you start from the tip, then gradually upward. If you are not applying oil, I'm using my oil. If you are not going to apply oil, you can use conditioner to make the takedown easy. You can use conditioner or leave-in, anyone you have available. Just make sure you use it. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, share, and drop a comment. Okay, you can drop a love emoji. If you are watching, just drop a love emoji so that I'll know that yes, you are acknowledging this video. My hair is even moisturized because I do my weekly routine, so the hair is moisturized, still moisturized. So I'm gonna do this. So guys, this is what I'll do to the rest of the hair. I'll take it down and then detangle it immediately after taking it down, so that it will be easy when I take down everything. So the next chapter you guys are going to see is the chapter of me already, like all the hairs will be down already. I would have taken it down already. So let me complete that and I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so I'm done losing the hair, and this is actually, to be very honest with you guys, this is actually days after the video I talked about taking down my braids. Like, I took down my braids on that day, but I couldn't do the washing and everything, and I've been really, I won't say, yeah, busy. Yeah, basically I've been busy with my project write-up, and finally I submitted it yesterday, and now I have the time for my hair. I've not had time for my hair in a long while, so I'm going to wash the hair now. I'm also going to do protein treatment, and yes, but I won't be showing you guys the video of washing the hair, but I'll go and wash the hair, come back and show you guys the protein treatment I'll be doing, and then apply it and wash it. But basically you guys won't be seeing the washing process. I know I said I'm going to be doing more of the washing process, like showing it to you guys, but my ring light broke, and it's really sad. My ring light broke, so I cannot use just my phone to the bathroom to wash my hair. It's really going to be dark, so I don't know. I'm actually using the ring light now, but I cannot hang it on the stand because it's broke basically. So anyways, let me go and wash my hair, come back and show you guys the protein treatment, apply it and then wash it, and then every other process you guys are going to be seeing it, but the washing will not be here. So guys, I am back. I'm done washing my hair. So the next thing I want to do now is to do the protein treatment, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll be using for the protein treatment. So the first thing I'll be using is my egg. This has been really helpful. Like, I've been using these things since I started my protein treatment. This has been with me all the time. So this is the container I'll be using. I'm going to break the egg inside, then I'll be using honey, the next thing, honey, and then this is hair mayonnaise. So I'm using this one to make it thick for the consistency I want. And then finally I'll be using Amla oil. Yes, so I said I'll be replacing my olive oil with Amla oil for my protein treatment. So this is what I'll be using. So I'm going to mix it and then show you guys what it looks like. Apply it on my hair and wait for 30 minutes before I wash it off. And then I only wash my hair with shampoo. So once I apply the protein treatment, rinse it off, I'll be using my conditioner to wash off the smell of the egg, and we'll be good to go. Deep condition, and yeah, basically you guys are going to be seeing it. So let me just mix this and show you guys the result and apply it on the hair. So guys, this is it. This is consistency I want, so that it won't be dripping all over my body. So guys, it's time to wash this out of my hair.